In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add WhatsApp number to Facebook page. By the end, your Facebook page will be connected to WhatsApp, making it easier for people to reach you with a single tap. First, log into Facebook and open the page you manage. It helps to be on the page itself, not just your personal profile. If you manage multiple pages, double-check you're on the right one. You'll need the appropriate page role, admin or editor, so you can access all the settings we're about to use. Next, open Settings. Click your profile picture in the top right corner to open the main menu. From there, choose Settings and Privacy, and then select Settings. This takes you to the control center for your account and pages, where you can manage connections, permissions, and more. Now go to Linked Accounts. In the left-hand menu, or within the categories, look for a section labeled Permissions. Under Permissions, click Linked Accounts. You'll see different services you can connect. Choose WhatsApp to start the linking process. It's time to add your number. Select your country code so Facebook formats your number correctly, then enter the WhatsApp number you want to use. Make sure it's the exact phone number that's active on your device, whether you're using WhatsApp or WhatsApp Business. Avoid extra characters or leading zeros after the country code and confirm you can receive messages on that phone. When you're ready, click Send Code. Facebook will send a verification code to your WhatsApp number. Open WhatsApp on your phone and look for the message with the code. Sometimes it arrives via SMS, sometimes directly in the app depending on your setup. Enter the code back in Facebook to verify. If it doesn't show up right away, wait a moment, confirm the number is correct, and ensure you have a good connection before requesting a new code. Once the code is accepted, you're done. Your WhatsApp is now linked to your page. You should see a confirmation on Facebook, and your page visitors may see a WhatsApp contact option where applicable. If you ever need to update or remove the number, return to the same linked accounts area to make changes. Quick recap. Open your page, head to Settings via your profile picture. Go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings. Under Permissions, choose Linked Accounts, tap WhatsApp, add your country code and number, send the code, and verify. That's it. Simple and effective. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the easier way for customers to contact you.